Hi there, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be solving best time to buy and sell stock problem 121 from LeetCode. So here they have given a few explanation of what the question demands. You are given an array prices where prices of I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. So basically you will get an array of let's say uh, prices like first day the price is 1, second day the price is 2, and third day price is 5. So similarly, from that array, we need to decide the maximum profit that we get. So we need to buy at the lowest price and sell at the highest price. In this question, you can see here we can see that 7 is the highest. So definitely we don't want to buy at this. We want to buy at the lowest price. So we want to buy at 1 and then maybe we want to sell at 6 because this is the maximum profit. And obviously we can't move backwards, like we cannot sell before we buy. So the sell price should always come after the buy price. So if we buy at 1, we need to select one of these to sell. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction, and you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So before I explain my thought process, you can pause this video and think of how you are going to approach this problem. This will give you a better understanding in learning about different type of solution, because there can be different approach and different optimization that we can do to the code, and for any problem we have different strategies to solve. So let's begin the thought process. Now here we definitely have to compare the prices, and we need to subtract from the buy price and the sell price. So I'll take one pointer, that is the left pointer, on the day where I'm going to buy, and the second pointer, that is the right pointer, I'm going to keep moving and checking the maximum profit, that is the maximum difference between the right pointer and the left pointer. So let's start coding. So here you can choose the language of your choice. So here you are seeing a basic structure of a class, and then the function that for which we need to add the implementation here, and it should return the maximum profit, that is the difference between the price that we are selling and the price that we are buying. In this function, I'll use 3 int variables. So let's initialize those variables here. The left pointer, I'm assigning 0 to that. Then the right pointer, for the beginning, I'll keep it 1. And then the maximum profit that I need to return. So I'll keep it in a variable to check every time that whatever difference is the maximum that I have to return. So I can say it as max profit. Zero initially. Now I'll implement the while loop here. So as I'll be incrementing right in every iteration, so I need to keep a check that it should be less than the length of the price. Now for the profit, I would always need that my buying price is less than the selling price. So my prices at left should be less than prices at right. If you want, you can pause the video and take a look at the conditions once again to have a better understanding of this. And, and here I'll use the math.max to check the maximum of the two, like maximum of the max profit and maximum of the difference. So my selling price minus the price where I bought. Now, if the price of left is less than price of right, what if the price of left is not less than price of right? So that means that I need to shift my left to the position of the right because I want the left to be minimum. I want to buy at the lowest price. So if the value at the right is less than value of the left that we have right now, we'll definitely want to shift our left to the right to the lowest value and then increment right and implement else left equal to right. And in all the cases, I need to increment my right. Now I need to return an int variable here or any value, int value. So definitely I'm going to return this variable. Now let's run and check. Okay, so you can see there is an error here. Because there's a typing mistake, I wrote price instead of prices. I'm going to correct that. Let's run it again. Here we can see it was accepted where the test input was 71536. So definitely the maximum profit is 1 and 6. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. And expected was 5. Our code also gave 5. Now what I'll do is I'm going to submit this code and see if it works for all the test cases that LeetCode has. And we can check the runtime and memory uses there as well. Here you can see it was success and the runtime was 2 milliseconds, faster than 84% of Java Online submission for this problem. Best time to buy and sell stock. And memory uses, we can see it's here. Also, the time complexity for this code is big O of n because we are iterating through the array once. You can always come back and see your submissions, and if you get a new idea of a new approach or some optimized solution, you can always resubmit your code and then you can compare your time and memory here. If you have any suggestions for a more optimized and less complex solution, please feel free to mention in the comment section below. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Believe me, it matters a lot to keep moving. Happy coding!